In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create a children's story book like this in 3 simple steps with the help of 3 simple AI tools.
Look at all these children's story books. These are published globally in Amazon and different other e-commerce platforms, and the owners are earning in millions. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design your own book, each storybook, how you can leverage AI tools to create or write a story, designing the book and proofreading the book, and finally publishing and selling it with a high margin. This particular video is sponsored by AI Detector Pro, which is the best software for proofreading. I'm going to show you that in this tutorial. Make sure to stick around with me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Market research. Any book cannot be sold online. So we will have to do a small market research. You see, this book I have found where 137 ratings are there, and these are rated very high, 4.8 star. We are going to use some of these words as the keyword for creating our book as well. So let's move forward to the next step where we are going to generate stories for the book. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT 3.5. Now I have given this prompt: please write one short kid story on encourage bravery and powerful fairness, where there should be a great model for 3 years to 8 years. So after all this, I'll go to this send message option. There we go. We got our 5 paragraphs short story. Now I have given kindly give me some image prompts for each paragraph, 2 images. Voila. I got my image prompts ready. Understand one thing. For publishing a book in KDP globally, it has to be authentic and it has to be original. KDP will ban, or Amazon will ban your shop if that is not an original human written content. Now let us move forward to the next step where we will be first proofreading this entire AI generated content so that our content seems to be human written and original. Therefore, go to the link of aidetector.pro. The link is given in the description below. I will go to the top right hand side new report option. I will just copy paste the story which GPT has generated starting from beginning till the end. Okay, just copy this, simply paste it here. It's very simple tool. Okay, now go to this analyze, and it will take a little while to analyze it. Now you go to view. Once this report generated option comes, go to view. Now see, 98% of this has been detected as AI written. Closely related to AI generated content are highlighted by red. So now what we do is open it with AI eraser. You can go for a scanning. You can go to top priority edit. If you go to top priority edit, it will show you which paragraph you need to change. If I go downwards, I will go to this more human option. Then either you go to suggested paragraph. You can just select that and go to suggest paragraph rewrite. I can go to humanize this document, this option. And therefore, it will humanize only that paragraph. Okay, so once this message comes, we will have to do OK. And then you can rescan the document. Okay, this sounds more like human, right? Now, if I humanize the entire document, then also you can see the difference here. Okay, again, read it after rewriting. You can scan the document, and this is looking like human written story, right? Now here, if you even see the tone analysis graph, this as far as this orange dotted web is covering the blue dotted web, it is human written. So you are safe from getting banned due to any copyright related issues. We will copy the document to clipboard, open your Word file, and simply paste it. Now let us move forward to the designing part in the next step. So for designing, go to canva.com. If you don't have a pro account, I would strongly recommend you to go for the 30 days free trial, link in the description below. In the search bar, type book. So I am taking this template for the time being. Now once you select a template, below that you will get more templates of that sort. So we will customize this one only. So customize the template. Now we will head back to ChatGPT and we have got image prompts. Now we will go to add new page option. We will go to this app section and here we will type magic and we will get this magic media option. We will take this first option, magic media option. Here we get two types, one is image and one is video from text. We will leverage image from text. All I need to do is just paste the command here, what we have got from ChatGPT, and we will go to the see all option and you may choose either dreamy or playful option. I am taking dreamy option. Now here you may choose any of these aspect ratios. I am choosing portrait aspect ratio. And then generate image. Like this, they will generate 4 such images for each prompt. So we have got all 4 images. All I need to do is just click one by one and keep adding new pages. Now if you like a particular image, like I like this particular image, so I can just go to these 3 dots and generate more like this, so that I get 3 more such version here. I will simply remove this giraffe, remove the background, just Ctrl X this from here. And here Ctrl V and right click and replace the background. Now my cover image is this way ready. Now see properly. Since our images are almost ready, now let us go to the next part. Let us go to element section and here you will have to type frame, blob. Okay, you get these blob frames. Okay, now keep choosing one or other as per your requirement and make it little big. Take this image, go to position to front and just hover and it will be kind of sucked inside, and now you can position it in the right way. Like this, repeat this same thing for the next pages as well. First we will be going to the text box, text option, the left hand side widget in Canva. I'll take a text box. Okay. Now let us head back to the humanized form of our story. I'll take the first sentence. Okay, copy it from here, double click on the text box and paste it. Okay, now I will have to go and search for comic. You get different comic fonts here. You can take any one. I feel Comic Sans give a better appeal and clean appeal as well. What I will do is I'll go to element section and I will take some more elements. Flowers. Okay, I will go to this graphic section and see all option, and you can take some nice flowers here. Let's suppose this one. Come here at the corner and place it somewhere like this. Go to this transparent option and make sure it does not cause any hindrance in reading. Go to position option, go to layers and bring it downwards. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to first go to this share button, download it in PDF, standard PDF format for uploading in Amazon KDP. Okay, make sure all the pages are selected as per order and just download. What I'll have to do is I'll have to again go to this share option and here go to this more option. Here give Flipbook. So you get all 4 options. You may choose any of these options. I am choosing simple booklet flip, this option, and then open. You will have to log in with Gmail or email account. Now go to export your design. Make sure all the pages are selected and done, and then save it. And then you can go to this view in simple Flipbook. This will redirect you to their website. You can choose any of these options. I will take this page curl option. Go to this convert option at the bottom right hand side corner. Let's see how our Flipbook turns out to be. Now once the book is ready, go to this share button and now you can open from here and check how has your book turned out to be.
Now here's bad news. If I need to show you all the steps to how to publish in Amazon KDP, it will take another 1 hour. Therefore, I have jotted down these few points for you, and I'll also add Amazon's official website link where you can just go through the step-by-step process, simple 5 processes you'll have to go through, and then you can publish your book and start earning.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.